Palindrome string. So first of all, what do you exactly mean by a palindrome? So there will be a set of words like madam. When you reverse it, you will get the same word. Okay. So these words are known as the palindromes. So let's write a code for this palindrome string. So first, here we are approaching it in a two-pointer way. So we will be having a left pointer and a right pointer. Okay. So here we have taken a non-palindrome, that is hello. If you reverse it, it won't be a same as hello. So left pointer we are assigning it to the 0th index and right pointer to the last one. So when you are about to access the last element, you have to write string since it is declared as a string. So string dot length minus 1. So this is how you can access the last element. And next, we are taking a Boolean variable that is palindrome. First, we will just initialize it as a true. So while left pointer is less than right pointer means it should not be in the same L or something like that. So we are just seeing whether they both are in a position where they both are not equal to each other. So if string at character of left pointer that is h is not equal to O. In this situation, the right pointer is pointing towards the O and the left is pointing towards the H. And as you can see, they both are not equal. H is different and O is different. So if they are not equal, then is palindrome will be false. We are coming out of the loop because if first and the last element is only not equal, then how you can proceed with the next? So we are just breaking the loop. And then if you found it to be equal, like let's suppose in madam, if you found left pointer and right pointer to be equal, then what you are doing is left pointer you are incrementing and right pointer you are decrementing. And then in the next place, you are just printing out is palindrome. That is whether it is true or false. You just declare a string and this step, if you can see in the code, and then you're just keeping the pointers that is left and right. So you are just declaring the pointer and then you are just initializing a Boolean variable. That is, you can keep it as false also. If you keep it here false, then here you have to give it true. Okay. And then you are calling a while loop where you are just comparing whether the left pointer and the right pointer are not in the same exact location, because to tally up, we need it to be different. So if string.char at, so you may be having a question now that what do you exactly mean by string character at? So in arrays, you will access the element by array of index 0, array of index 1, right? So here what happens is in the string, we can't access it like an array. So we use a function called character at the point, at the position or anything. So at some ith position. So this is how you will access the index element in a string. So this is what you have to be learned for the palindrome string. So